So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to view Instagram comment without an account. Method first is the incognito desktop method. Open your computer web browser like Chrome, Edge or Safari. Open a new incognito or private browsing window. Paste the link of public Instagram post into the address bar. Press enter to load the page. Check the right side of the screen to read the comment. If a login pop-up appear, close the tab and reopen it to reset the timer. Second method is the mobile third-party viewer method. Open the web browser on your phone, visit imginn.com or dumpboy.com, enter the exact username of the public profile in the search bar. Tap the search icon, select the correct profile from the search result, tap on the specific photo or video you wish to view. Scroll down below the image to read all comment loaded. Third method is the Google Cache method. Open google.com or any device, type site // Instagram.com followed by the post unique URL code. Press enter to initiate the search. Click the three vertical dots next to Google search result. Select the downward arrow or button labeled cached. View the text version of the page including the caption and top comments. So thanks for watching.